Hello everyone, I hope you're all well. Today's brief video will be about how you can tailor the look and feel of a lookup fields data pane via the use of a table report. Now in this fictional example, we have a vehicle rentals application, the main application that we will be putting the lookup field in order to populate these four fields here. And corresponding to this, we have the vehicle database, and that is the app that we will be looking up from. So the first step in this process is to create a table report in the app that we're looking up from, i.e. the vehicle database. I'm just going to do that now. And we will call that one vehicle lookup. Just need to add fields. So make, model, year, and finally fuel type. Now the second step is to choose whether or not you want this table report to be hidden. That means that you can have the report created and the report is there to look up from, but it will not be showing in the main application. Now this is a very useful feature because it means you can create, in theory, infinite table reports for many different lookups, none of which will be clustering your main app view. So if I toggle that for demonstration purposes, save and publish the changes, if we go to the vehicle database app, resync it, you'll be able to see that on this left-hand pane, there is still only the fleet vehicles list report showing. The new table report, the vehicle lookup report that we've just created, is hidden as mentioned. Now the next step, the third step, is to go back to your main app that you're looking up from, and you need to create the lookup field there. So again, I'll just run through that quickly now. I'm going to call this one vehicle lookup. You select the lookup app, the app that you're looking up from, and in this case, it is the vehicle database. And the report that will give the data pane look is the table report that we've just created, vehicle lookup. If I just add my field mappings, make, model, year, and again, finally, fuel type. Now that field's been created, we'll need to add it to the template. And again, publish those changes. Now, like any other report, you must bear in mind that you can add either permanent base filters or select from a list of filters. And that again will give you different views of the data when using the lookup. So if we go back into the main application, once more, the vehicle rentals application, give that one last resync. And you'll be able to see when we now go to create a record, we have the lookup field to choose from. And if you click on the magnifying glass, here is the pane corresponding to the table report, the vehicle lookup table report that we made in the vehicle database application. And as mentioned with the filters, you can see I've got one ready to go here, sorting to fuel type electric. And if we click on that, you can see that the whole list is reduced to just those vehicles that are electric. And if I just select this one, for example, we will then see how the lookup is able to automatically populate the 4 fields as first mentioned.